Are you an academic or researcher who finds statistical analysis intimidating? Do you want to approach your quantitative data analysis with more confidence? Introducing the Statistics for Non-Statisticians knowledge track. This 3-course knowledge track supports academics and researchers like you with foundational statistical skills and processes to support data analysis. The courses start with the basics and build towards more advanced statistical concepts. Watch an expert demonstrate each skill, then practice what you've learned inside the online course or in our downloadable workbook. We know you're busy, so you can access these courses anytime, anywhere. Learn at your own pace and enhance your research potential on your terms. Why not get started now?